Elementor is one of the most popular page builders for WordPress, and installing it takes about a minute. So how you can install Elementor plugin into your WordPress? First, go to your WordPress dashboard, then on the left go to plugins. You can just click plugins or click add plugin. I'm gonna click plugins, and here are all your installed plugins in your WordPress webpage. We want to click add plugin at the top, and now in the search bar type Elementor. The first result should be Elementor website builder. It has millions of active installs, so you will recognize it right away. As you can see, it's shown here. Next, click install now. Now it's installing. Wait a few seconds and click activate. Now you can simply sign into Elementor. I'm gonna use Google account. And after activation, Elementor will walk you through a quick setup, and your Elementor plugin is installed, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna go back to my WordPress dashboard and again go to plugins. As you can see, here is the Elementor installed inside your plugins. If you want to start edit a page with Elementor, go to pages, hover over any page, for example this, and here will appear edit with Elementor, so you can click it. It's gonna open the drag and drop editor like this, and you can start building. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.